Welcome to our 7-day advanced hip restoration class. In this class, we're going to go through a series of moderate to challenging exercises designed to bulletproof your hips from the comfort of your home. My name is Dr. Benjamin Stevens, and I'm going to be your instructor. I've been a chiropractor for 10 years and a personal trainer for 20 years. When you are done this course, your hips will feel better, they'll move better, and they'll be much stronger. You'll also have a better understanding of a library of exercises that you can use to continue making progress with your hips. This is a 7-day course designed to be performed in about 20 to 30 minutes a day. On each of these days, you're going to follow along with me as I not only instruct you on how to perform the exercises, but I perform them myself so that you can watch them being performed. At the start of the course, we're going to do a lot of work that is on the floor, on something like a yoga mat, and towards the end of the course, we're going to progress to most of our exercises being standing up or against a wall. In order to take this course, you're going to need a few things. First, you're going to need a yoga block or a foam roll, something that you can pinch between your knees. Second, you're going to need some space on the floor, so if you have an exercise mat or a yoga mat, it's going to be about that size. Third, you're going to need an exercise band, preferably in a loop, so you can buy it in a loop, or you can take a current TheraBand and you can tie it into a loop. Last, you are going to need some space on the wall. We're going to do a few things where we support ourselves on the wall, or we're using a wall for balance, so you just need to make sure you have enough space that you're not going to knock anything over. This class is perfect for anyone who has tired or tight hips, that spends a lot of time on their feet, or just spends a lot of time walking or hiking. If this sounds like you and you're ready to get started, sign up today and let's jump right in.